Hi guys, my name is Paul and welcome back in my new video. Guys, in this video, I'm going to provide you one calculator for trapezoidal footing. So using this calculator, you can easily calculate the quantity of material, labor required, duration, bar bending schedule, and every single thing which is required to estimate for a material. Okay, so this is very important video for all of you. You need to watch this video till the end, and this website civilnotes.com is gonna be one of the best website for civil engineers, because this website is providing you lots of advanced calculators, okay, to minimize your site efforts, right? Before starting this video, I would like to ask you, please subscribe my YouTube channel Parakpal. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, because this is gonna be very interesting channel in upcoming days, because you will get lots of Excel sheets for your day-to-day practices. Now let me just take you to the calculator first. So I have already provided the link in the description box. Also, you can navigate to the civil engineering tab and go to the estimation and quantity takeoff. You can also navigate to this post. Okay, so this is an Excel, this is a total calculator that you have. Okay, you can also take an extract of Excel and PDF after once you provide all the database here. So first of all, you can see the diagrammatical representation provided below for a slope footing. Okay, this is one profile that you have. Now you can see we have width and also depth or provided here. So you need to provide the data here. Just take an example. You have a length of a footing of 1.5 meter. Okay, sorry, 1.5 meter. Okay, width is I am considering 1.2 meter. Okay, sorry, 1.2 meter. So you can see I have provided 1.2 here and 1.5, so it will be automatically updated here. Okay, now we have depth of 0.2 meter, so we need to update 0.2. Okay, so total base depth you can update, I can update like this. Okay, you can also provide entry, so I'm updating 0.12. Okay, and also you can update the top length and top width of A and B, so you can A and M, so you can just go here and you can also update this top width. Okay, so you can just reduce it. Okay, so top length and top width you can reduce, so I can just reduce a certain extent. So based on that you will get total depth over here. So total depth of your footing becomes 0.6. Now let's understand what kind of mix you are going to use. So I'm going to use M25 grade of concrete. Okay, and steel diameter I'm going to use 12 mm diameter with 100 mm 120 mm spacing with 25 mm clear cover. Okay, and you have to include the steel bar bending schedule. Based on that, you also need to come down and also need to provide that what is the rate of cement bag per day. Steel I am providing here 90. Okay, labor cost per day I am just putting, this is an average cost per metric cube, so I am putting this for per metric cube is required around just put 1000. Okay, and the productivity per day, like, so our labor per day they do the production of around 1.5 metric cube, sorry, 1.5 metric cube of construction work. Okay, that's it. This is